short bus over there ripping already. We just pulled up. Ripping. Rev Master Recovery to the rescue. Got 2 of them in there. Let's see if we get them out. This shit's soft. Oh shit! Got the side by side too. Damn. Nice. Making it look easy. The big boys out here getting stuck. Let's see if both of us give them a little tug, get out. Oh my, what the going on over here? Alright, got the short bus, Rev Master hooked up. Alright, so he's still in there. We try to snatch him backwards. Jay broke axle shaft in the rear. No big deal. Yeah, we're gonna have the ram charger hooked up. Give him a little bump, see what happens. Look at that wall of mud he's dragged. Holy shit. They always come out though. This shit is super soft. Check these ruts out. Those are massive. Holy crap.
Yeah!
Did he make it further than you? God damn. Alright, here we got the short bus hooked up to the Yoda. Do it again, it came up. Oh, he got this all day. got half stuck in there. He was jumping just a little bit. Let's see. I want to see a good hard snatch, and he's got it always. Oh yeah, give her the bean. It just keeps getting worse and worse. Now there's 3 stuck. About to be 4. Oh my. What a shit show. Came around to the front side. Give it one more try. All right, me and Brian and the Blazer got one out. Got a 5-ton out. We're hooked to this charger. Woo! We're gonna get that one out there. That one's in there pretty good though. Alright, so the Avalanche got stuck pulling that ram out. She just died on the ground, I guess. Look at these fucking ruts. So we got the Avalanche out again. God damn. He's still in there. We're gonna try and pull from the front. Get all these trucks maneuvered to the front. Look at this fucking wall. Mud and grass. Alright, so we got a buggy and a truck. We're gonna try and get it out this way. Come out. Hell yeah. So many people out today. What a nice day. Washing all these trucks off in the creek. Hell yeah. SOS. Yeah. She's kind of buried. We out here though. They always come out. This thing's covered. Hell yeah. Oh. We did it again. This shit is nasty out here today. God damn. Got the nitrous bottle hitting. It's a good time. Everyone's having a good time. Rope broke and then he slingshotted into a mud hole. So yeah, there's some big tires under there. Help! That thing is ripping. Hell yeah. That's some thick ass mud. Yeah, there's a big ass truck under there. God damn. I think it's gonna be easier for me to go forward. All right, I'm still in here. We got the fucking mega rope. God damn. All right, still in here. We're trying to get it out. Got this short mega rope hooked. Use some leverage to get me to go up. And we got 3 or 4 trucks up there as well. We're all gonna try and go at the same time. If this don't work, then it's excavator time. This is a bad day. Alright, y'all. We had fucking 1, 2, 3, 4 trucks hooked up to me to get me out. But we are finally out. Holy shit. What a crazy time. But I'm out. Hell yeah. Well, I appreciate everyone watching. Like, subscribe for more crazy shit like this. There's mud covered everywhere on this thing. Everywhere. So we'll get this thing cleaned up. Hell yeah. I'll see you on the next video.